Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago when I was in art school. Well, this was one of the assignments I think. I don't even remember. Well, I have this image and I also made a pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter code find edges. I'm gonna make this California sky. I shot it in California, of course, and I want to make some kind of illustration of feeling like California. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna turn this one on, pencil drawing type, then change the blend mode, normal to darken. Then I'm gonna turn opacity down about 50% or so, as always, and now I'm gonna turn this one down. I'm gonna duplicate this layer, and I use the smudge tool to smudge these images. Okay, turn this base image off, then rename on this smudge. Okay, now work on smudge on this from beautiful model here. Okay, smudge tool, I'm gonna use drawing to little pine, small one, to go smudge first. Okay, a little bit small. Smudge the whole all over the picture first. Nice shadow shape, nice lighting, direct sunlight. Shooting framing is such awkward. Why did I cut here? That's strange. I don't know. That was not on purpose. I don't know. I don't remember. Have to find another reversal film. I may have some, but maybe I decide to pick up this film. Maybe the composition or posing. I don't know. Nice bicycle, red frame. And nice shadow shape. And this is a red t-shirt, I remember. I guess she threw it away, or I don't know. I don't remember. If I ask somebody to throw this one away to the sky, but it's such interesting. Nice wall. And nice palm tree. Okay, I'm almost done for detail smudging, and I go for big area. Wait, let's make it bigger. If it's smudged well, yeah, I think we'll max. Well, now done for all the smudge. This was a nice big white creamy wall. Okay, I don't even see this little detail because a big brush size, tool size. Well, now I'm gonna add another layer for top of this smudged image. Then I'm gonna put some color. First go for greens like here. Well, since this is too small, so just pick some color. Little pine, same thing. Then some nice green, more saturated, real nice green. Let's see on top of the smudged layer. Just like illustrate palm tree. Then brown too. Okay. Now let me see, change the blend mode. Color's nice. Just emphasize. In this case, I'm gonna go for red. Using the same little pine. Then make it a little bigger. Just paint it on this shirt. How's this? But it doesn't affect much, huh? Well, since same saturation. This time, yeah, it does. Change more saturation. And her shirt blue, more bluer. Yeah, a little bit orange on rim. Dark. Okay, and she wear the white sunglasses. This is, I believe this is white. I guess this one has dark lines. Yeah, that's why I won't see. So I'm gonna make mask. Then it's black. I'm gonna mask this black frame. Just turn this one off. Where else? Yeah, that's fine. That's all. Okay, this is a mask for glasses, sunglasses. Okay, now I'm gonna continue to paint on here the color with the brush, a little pine. Or oops, what's this now? I'm gonna erase here. Okay, I have another green. Same brush. on here. And also we have some green around here. A little bigger, and I want some grasses, greener. Okay. Now what I'm gonna, smudge. I'm gonna touch up some on smudge tool. Oops, not here. Smudge here. Smudge, touch up outside. Okay. Now I go sky. Pretty nice colors. Much more nicer color. Well, a little bit bigger size. Gloaming, change to this. Then it does have texture, but let me try. Let's see, size, biggest. Brush opacity about 50% or so. And then choose some nice blue color. Paint it on paint layer. More colors. Yeah. There is now let's see. I'm gonna move this base image layer top of the smudged image. Smudged layer. Then turn this one on. It'll show the base image. So I'm gonna make mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this with the same little pine. Well, wait a minute, let's see. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna turn this one off, then make mask on smudge layer first. Then invert mask. Now we only see the pencil drawing type image. Okay, I'm gonna reveal this smudged layers mask with brushes artistic to La Rapuna. Okay, then pretty big size. Brush opacity 80% or so. Okay, let's make it bigger. Well, change the brush. This is the largest size, right? Let's change this painting to try stucco. Yeah, let's try stucco first. Okay. Okay, almost done for this mask. Now I'm gonna turn on this base image and mask. Then reveal this with what I have now, stucco. Well, go back to drawing to little pine, then same all white to reveal her face. Little more clear, nicely. On this layer, real tiny, real small. That's fine now, only face. Okay, that's all I need from the base image and smudged image, or overall smudged. Yeah, show more California sky blue. Okay, well, that's it for today, and I made a basic photograph to illustration. Feel like California, is it? Well, thank you for watching my video, and you guys have a nice day, and I really appreciate for your support. Then see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.